It feels like I've taken the whole year without me doing a video from inside this kitchen. This is our amazing, precious kitchen, and I adore this kitchen so much. Lately, I've been doing cooking videos from outside, so today I felt like, no, I've missed this kitchen so much. Let me bring back the memories. So we are inside the kitchen, and it is not that complicated. It's a simple setup kitchen in the village, and right on this cooking area you can see I have a cooking pot. We call it sufuria. In Swahili we call it sufuria. It has water that I'm still waiting for it to boil so that I can prepare cassava flour. This is how cassava flour looks like. It's not pure white because it has a mixture of sorghum, some yellow corns, the purple corns. Yeah, it's a mixture of so many things. And guys, we are during the rain season. The way you can survive during this period is by having plenty of what? Firewood. And when you have a stock of dried firewood, you don't encounter too much smoke in the kitchen. That's the only way you can survive during this rain season. Have decided to fix a very simple lunch. Right on this bowl I have 6 eggs for them, 2 of us. I have 2 tomatoes, I have spring onions, I have 1 chili. This is chili, and of course I'm going to use salt, not forgetting the black pepper. I hope you can hear some raindrops on the roof. It has already started raining. Let me add firewood to the cooking area, and then we start cooking our meal. And this is a very quick meal to fix. Like, I'm only going to use 10 minutes to prepare this meal. So we use this metallic pipe to blow fire, okay? My water is ready, guys. Yeah, right there. I hope you can see clearly what I'm doing. I just want to add cassava flour. When it comes to preparing any meal, you don't prepare the exact meal of the people who are available in the compound. No. We believe that any time is a visitor's time. So a visitor can pop in any time. So it's good to prepare extra meals so that when a visitor pops in, he or she will get something to bite. Okay? Like the spring onion leaves, don't need to overcook. I will allow the tomatoes to cook to a fine paste before adding the eggs. Wow, this meal looks delicious, very appetizing, and it smells good. Smells really good. So I'm going to let it off the fire because I don't need it to get dry. You see how colorful it looks? So let me serve the meal and then we enjoy. I have served myself, you can see. Wow, this is what I'm having. You can see I have avocado, scrambled eggs, and cassava flour. I want to have a bite on your behalf. Amen. Guys, hey, this meal, whoa. The meal is good, very tasty and delicious. Thank you so much for watching the video. Let's meet again on our next one. Bye bye, and I love you so much. Bye.